Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide pictures in gallery on Honor Magic 7 Lite. So firstly go into gallery, and now if you would like to hide the picture, tap on the picture that you would like to hide. Now tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner and tap on hide. Okay. And to access the hidden folder, all you have to do is go into albums, tap on the three dots in the right corner, tap on hidden items, and here is our picture. So that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.